Making your own website has become very simple these days due to these online tools such as WordPress. And what part Canva plays in this is that it helps you make your design a lot more lively and much more better. By using the graphics of Canva and by using the technology behind WordPress, you can deploy amazing designs to your own websites. So let's get on with our website design. So if you just type website, you have options on creating a web page for your for what is visible on your desktops or laptops, or also you can create your mobile website, which is limited only to mobile. Again, you have to be aware of the dimensions because they differ in they differ for each device. And again, this feature won't be a problem with WordPress because it's all auto-tuned and you just have to publish your post or blog or anything, and then it takes care of the rest for you. So we will check out the integration between Canva and WordPress. So let's get started with our design. So whatever templates you see here right now are just the stuff which appears as soon as you enter any website. So we'll just have an example. So we are going to a demo website by WordPress. So whatever you see here, whatever you see this part, the part covering the mountains, so that is basically what you're going to try designing in Canva over here. And if you scroll down, so you can also design this, and then it just depends on your design, and then you can deploy it anywhere based on your website options. So we'll get started on one simple website. Okay, so we found a template which we like. Takes a couple minutes to load. And you can see that this particular template has 5 pages here, and each of these 5 pages are easily deployable directly to any of your blog sites. So you can just change anything here, or just give it my name. Okay, so that's settled. So since this is just a small demo on how you can create introductions for your website, so we'll just see how this is going to preview. So you have this direct feature here, publish as a website. So if you just click on that, so you can see the ways of presenting in your website. So you have one way is the presentation style. So you just have a small window over here which shows you how it's going to be deployed. So you have presentation, and you can also have scrolling where you just scroll down, and then after this page the second page comes, and then the third, and then the fourth, and so on. And you also have navigation where each page appears as a navigation bar, so that you can click on one button or one menu. So each of these pages are a product of that menu. There is also standard where each of these come as a single web page, and when you have to go to the other page you have designed, you have to just go to the other web page. So this is just sort of like linking one web page to another. So we will just see the standard scrolling one. So if you just click open website, you'll be redirected, and you will be able to see a small demo on how your website's going to look. That's very smooth, isn't it? So this particular feature is very smooth and easy to use, and then as you can see, the interface also is very nice. So what's happening these days is that you have to really pay attention to user interface, because as far as the user goes, if they're happy, your product will be long lasting. So you have to take in factors such as how easy it is for the user to use, or how much time it takes to load, and also how smoothly your designs will transition from one to another. You don't want it to be abrupt, or you don't want it to be too sudden or too slow. If it is too slow, then the user gets annoyed, and then they might shift to another website. So that's not what you're hoping for. And yeah, this is here, and we can just title this as intro. Okay, so now comes the most important part. If you click on this drop down here, you can see that you can download it as a website, or the option what you saw before, or you can just download it in the form of PDFs or PNG or however you want it to be, and then you can post it on your websites. Or the most easiest way which you can do is that if you just scroll down a little more, you have this option called embed. Okay, so we'll just embed. So you can, as you can see that you can directly embed your designs on Medium and WordPress. And the best and the most awesome feature of this is that as you make changes on your design here in Canva, the same change will be reflected on your website, either in Medium or WordPress. So this design is currently public because your website will definitely be public. And you can also unlink it over here. So if it breaks the link, and then it won't be visible that much. So this is one way of doing it. So right now I am going to teach you the way of deploying a simple poster, which I have already done into my WordPress webpage. Okay, I'll just go log into my WordPress. So I have already created a dummy website for me to just to show the working of this thing. And we can go here and I'll just fish out the design which I have already done. Okay. So you can see that this is a poster which I have already done, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So this embed feature not only works for your website template, but also you can embed posts or posters or any image you like which you have designed or altered on Canva. So that still works. So I have renamed it as Canva, and I'm going to follow the same procedure to show more, and I can just stay here to embed. So you can see that small tag over there, live, and I'm just going to embed it. It just means that whatever changes I'm doing here will just be copied over there and there'll be no hindrance. So this again works in two ways. So sometimes you have your own websites or you have your own HTML pages. You can just copy this link and you can paste it accordingly wherever you want it on your page. Or you can just click this as your WordPress or Medium link. So now I have a WordPress page and I'm just going to go to posts. Okay. And I'm just going to click add new post. This works for your existing posts as well, but since now we are sort of new to this concept, so we'll just be making a new one. Okay, got it. Okay, so this is my post right now, and I'm going to be titling it Canva Okay, it's going to be Wise Learn Canva. Okay, so you just go and you already copied the link and just paste here. You can see that, okay, I guess we have recopied. We'll just remove this and try inserting again. Just try to preview. Okay, there you have it. So this is what is embedded over here. Although you couldn't see it, you can view it in your preview, and then it shows that you have designed it through Canva and it shows the author's name. And you can also directly share this over here. So it just shows you whatever you have named your file here. See, suppose it's Canva. And you can share it on Pinterest or Facebook or anything like that. Again, this part of it comes under WordPress. You can just take the code of it and you can just embed this design again into any other blog you want. So this is one thing. Okay, so just close this and we'll just view the published one. Okay, just try it. Okay, I'm just going to view the post. Okay, see, it's updated over here. Okay, so now we'll just see a small demonstration of the live poster. Let's try changing the color here. I'm just going to go ahead with my brand color. Okay, that's done. Let's try changing this also. Okay. You're going to have to wait until this particular portion here shows all changes saved. Otherwise, it still keeps changing it still keeps saving everything, whatever you have done. And then if you exit in the middle, your change won't reflect in your post. Okay, so right now we have changed this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload this page right now. There you have it. So you can see that whatever changes you're doing in Canva, it's being directly reflected over here so that you don't have the task of double working or anything like that. So this is a very good collaboration between Canva and WordPress, and also Canva and Medium, and also Canva and HTML for your web pages. One way of getting WordPress for yourself is that you can go to this particular website, 000webhost.com, and once you see there, you have a couple of once you sign in, you have a couple of options on how to select your blog and which base you're going to go through from, and you can just get started over here. It's pretty easy. Just choose your free sign up and it'll guide you through the entire process. So yeah, I guess we have learned now how to make your own website and how to publish your designs into your said website. So thank you.